Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2624.260. Okay, and chances are high that if the price keep moving above a level of around 2632, probability is high that we can see there can be a further upside movement. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, if that a level of 2627 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross this level and chances of touching 2632 and from there we can see a level of 2633, and once started going over this level, a probability of crossing a level of 2638 will be there. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, there is a U pattern is forming at this level plus at this level. So chances can be high if the price keep moving below a level of 2602, we can see there will be a further fall, and after that we can see it can touch a level of $25.96, and if that didn't sustain, we can see a level of 25.88, and then a further downfall we can see towards $25.82. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards 25.66 also, and it can touch a level of 25.36 also after crossing this particular zone. Okay, but if the price started sustaining above 2632, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, coming back on the dollar index, but before I move ahead, doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. One more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, dollar index is creating a clear pattern, U pattern. Chances are high that if the price keep moving above level of 108.5, there is a high chances of going further upside. I have clearly explained you that in my previous videos that dollar index can go further upside if the price sustain above 108, because 108 is a strong level. So we had seen a bounce back, so it is now trading at a level of 108.5, and then it can touch a level of 109 to a level of 109.5. This is the level. Okay, so if it started going above this level, we can see a level of 109 also, and from there it can touch a level of 109.5 to a level of 1010. Okay, you have to understand, see, this is a 15-minute chart. You will, if I show you a day-wise chart, you will understand clearly how it is. Okay, now see, if you look at this particular trend, we have seen a sharp fall today. So if the price started falling below a level of 108.3, then only we can see there will be a probability that it can move below a level of 108, and once started going 107.7, we can see there will be a further downfall. Okay, or a bounce back can come from $107.1, but if the price keep falling below this level, a further downfall will be there. Okay, so when the dollar index started going upside, we can see the gold price will come down. Similarly, the crude price as well as silver price will come down. Suppose if the dollar index started going down, we will see the it is down this side. Okay, but if the price of dollar index started going down, we can see the crude and gold price and silver price can come up, because see, if you look at this, gold is XAU USD, so they are inversely related with each other, so you have to understand that. Okay, now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price, what we can see now trading at a level of 2624. So chances can be high if the price sustain this level, it can go towards its next resistance of 2628, and once started crossing this level, we can see a level of 2631. Suppose if the price moving above this level, probability of touching 2638 will be there, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross this particular zone, and we can see it can touch a level of around $26.51, which is already being tested. So chances are high it will cross this level, and from there it can touch a level of 26.57, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards $26.66. Okay, suppose if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it will cross this level and it will go towards $26.76, and once started going above this level, a probability of going towards a level of 26.87 will be there. Okay, and once the price moving above 26.87, a probability of touching 26.93 will be there. Okay, and then a further upside towards a level of 26. After 26.96, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around level of $27.10. Okay, and if the price move out this level, a further upside we can see. So keep trailing your SL by $5 if the movement is high, or by $3 when the movement is low. Okay, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But as I've already explained you, if the price started going below a level of 26.10, probability of moving further down will be there. because see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand that you should be getting on both the sides. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $26.15. Okay, and if the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of 26.07. This 26.07 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will fall further down towards 26.02, and from there it can come towards a level of $25.98, and then there will be a zone breakout, so for the fall we can see towards $25.88. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so for the fall we can see towards $25.85, and then for the fall we can see towards a level of $25.75. Okay, keeping that in mind, that once the price started falling below 25.75, chance of touching 25.66 will be there, and from there it can touch a level of around $25.54. Okay, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 25.37. After $25.54, we can see it can touch a level of 25.32, and then there will be a zone breakout, so for the fall we can see at a level of 25.29, which is a strong support. So then a bounce back can come from this particular level, and then a further fall. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.